What's up, guys? It's Evo, and I'm back with another video, and I'm about to make some adult Easter shake. Since Easter's coming up this week, let me go ahead and get your buzz on while them kids Easter egg hunting. So these are all the things we're gonna need. I don't know why about this, but we're gonna find use for it. Everything on here gonna be used in some form or fashion. So let's get it started. So the first step we need to do is scoop some ice cream. You can use the blender, but we're going old fashioned. We're gonna scoop it out. You know. I don't know this how they scoop. I ain't no ice cream scooper, but we're gonna use it today. I scoop and dig. I don't use scoop, I just dig. Got a spoon over here, so we might as well use that. That right there. I think that should be enough. Yeah, use a little more. Scoop and lift. That should be enough ice cream right there. Move that to the side. Now we move our ice cream to the side. You already know we got this Henny left over from St. Patrick's Day. I'm gonna put that video up in the card up above one of these places. You know, I'm gonna use a cap full. That's enough liquor for today. See y'all later. Nah, we drink for real right here. So we're gonna pour right that much. And now, then we just gonna swirl it all together. Swirl it. I'm gonna swirl it. I'm gonna come back when I get it to the right consistency, so it should look like. See how that. Alright, see that should be the consistency. You won't see no blender because it got you this thickness right here. So it's gonna be the consistency. Then before we get started. Push some glasses before we get started. Hennessy ice quad. That's it. That's the video. I just need this right here. Kids will never know. Don't get it to your kids. So we're gonna take this ice cream. We're gonna put it to the side. Since it's Easter, we know we gotta make it festive. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other things I need. So they're gonna decorate my cup. Alright, y'all see, I frosted the rim of my glass, the outside of my glass. Now I'm about to dip it in my sprinkles. So let's roll it. Go ahead and put it like this. Oh, we're picking up some people. If you can't, then just drop it on now. Make a mess, man. Somebody come please clean this up for me. Think that's good enough for me. Shake it so everything's sticking on there. I think that's good. And I think it's time to insert the ice cream. And like I said, the thick consistency. Let's go ahead and drop it down. There's that ice cream right there. Ooh, and you're gonna eat this right here. We got ice cream off camera. I already went to go and put our treats together, pinned them. Now we can get ready. Whatever, I meant to do that. Y'all ain't know that. Put the whipped cream on top, and now let's go ahead and start pinning everything. I'm gonna go ahead and start my straws. As you can see, look at that. Ooh. Gonna put these boys in there. Sit that on the back like that. Got two of them. they hidden. Just in case you make this for a special someone that wanna drink. It's leaking a little bit. Maybe made a little more than it's supposed to. Alright, y'all, had a little technical difficulty because it was a lot overflowing, over kind of the portions, but I'm drunk somewhere. So now we got this part in here. So go ahead and add, you know, the little bunny. So we gotta make this thing fancy. We're gonna put it back here, right here. Look good to me, y'all. What y'all think? It look good to me. I'm gonna add my cookie right here. Y'all know how y'all be getting them fancy drinks with the little orange on the side. That's it right here. I hope this will stay. Now we're just gonna put that boy right in the middle. Yeah. So okay. There you have it right there. Dope Easter Sunday. Don't leave Sunday out of there. Dope alcoholic shake. Right here, Easter version. So like I said, when them kids going Easter egg hunting, this right here what you drink. You know, we got them. Tastes good. Then if you want to, you bite the donut. I want the cookie. See y'all later.